Welcome back to MVL's page. Today we won't be reviewing a car. We're just gonna go over what we have in stock and what I would take for certain occasions. So we're in our second showroom right now. Let's show them what we have on the left-hand side. So we have an S580 V8 2023 Cullinan. We just reviewed the ID Buzz. Again, that's a cool car. I'd be taking that in California, putting a surfboard on top of it 100% and just ripping it down the coast. I think that'd be pretty full. This is the S680, the V12 that we shot. I'm definitely taking this out. So let's say if I'm going out for a fancy dinner with my wife and I have a chauffeur, this is the car I'm taking, which is a shocker because right beside me I have a Rolls-Royce black badge. But I find the entertainment system and the executive package in the long wheelbase S680 far more luxurious feeling for a client's experience. So when you're actually back there, it feels a lot more luxurious. And that's a 2022 black badge Ghost. Right beside it, we have another 22 Ghost non-black badge, which is pretty cool. And then this is a 2024 S680 Maybach. No, I'd probably take this on that date with my wife because the two-tone completely changes it versus the all black. But again, it's the same car, but I'm taking this one because of the two-tone. Just looks a lot better. Showroom on the side here, we've had an incredible because in non-fear. Things are picking up because it is that season to buy your cars. So it might look a little empty right now, but we're delivering them. Cars are coming out of storage. We do store cars here. So next year, if you are needing of storage, call me down below. My contact is there. We can sort that out for you. But on the side here, that's a pretty cool car. So that's a Urus. It's a base Urus. It's a 2020 Impulse. This, I don't know what this is. I think it's an SL compressor. I give this to my son so he can just drive it, beat the shit out of it, and do whatever he wants. If he writes it off, I don't care as long as he's safe. Then we'll have here a 2019 Range Rover. Now the Range Rover HSC for the money, the closest thing you'll get to luxury for like 60 grand. You're getting a ton of car for that money. V12 Bentley, this Clayton. I do love the V12 Bentley. It's a speed. I think cosmetically, I think the car looks incredible. It's a bit different from a Rolls-Royce. It'll be more performance-based, but you do have that luxurious finish and Bentley device inside. And then that's the brand new 2025. That would be a P400 Range Rover, which we just took in. On the far left-hand side, we reviewed a couple of these cars. The gentleman here is taking delivery of his SL63. Pretty cool car. It's a 2018, so it's got the V8 that everybody wants. This is a 992. Again, I'm a Porsche guy, so I'm taking this car. I love Porsche. If it was a Turbo S, that would be the car I'd be taking there just for my daily. I would daily a Turbo S. But again, this is a C2, so that means, no, it's a C2S. So it's a rear-wheel drive Carrera. Again, you get a lot more play out of the rear-wheel drive. It is a sport, so that's probably the sweet spot for Porsche. And then if we look over here, this is a brand new ZR1. It's not an X. It is a crazy car. 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels. Full carbon rims. Carbon, like let's just take a look at it. So yes, carbon leaf. Crazy spec. Carbon rims look incredible. Crazy. Come in the back with the freezers there. More exhaust spice. Looks low. Yeah, that car is just silly. Silly. 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels. I'd probably kill myself driving that thing, but it is incredible. This room looks extremely empty again, like I mentioned. We had a huge week. It is that time to buy your cars. So if you are in the market for a car, call me down below and we can source it. If we have it, even better, but we do source cars. But on the side, we'll have the Ford GT. That's your heritage. Ford GT is just a statement piece. This car's over $1 million USD, to give you an idea. But it is a heritage edition. It's full carbon. This thing is like a two. It's all one piece. I think this thing's incredible. You're almost getting the same kind of road presence as the Vol beside it, which is the 2020 Aventador S, Batman's car. So again, my daily car, I said it was a Porsche. I'm dealing that, but if I want to come out, make a statement, I'm by myself. I don't care who's looking, but I want people to look at me. I'm taking that. That's the 2020 Aventador S all day. I think it's a crazy car. Cosmetically, it might be the nicest vehicle ever in production. Here, we have McLaren. McLaren's cool. I love McLarens. Do I love a 570? No, I don't. Personally, that's my personal preference. I'd go the 765 LT. I think that's a crazy car. Or even the older, the successor to this car, the 600 LT, I think it's just a way better car. Your maintenance bill is going to be a lot better on it. But for the money, again, around 200 grand, you're getting a McLaren. That might switch your opinion on it because the Huracan is more money. A McLaren just looks more expensive. It is more expensive via service bill, 100%. But yeah, so for the money, you're getting a lot of car, looks a lot more expensive than it is. If you want that wow factor, McLaren's pretty good for that. And they really had in 2023 F8 Spire. So this is pretty much the last, this is the tribute to the 458, the 488. Crazy cool car. What I love about Ferraris is you get that performance, but inside it almost feels like a refined luxury vehicle, which is like bizarre. Because when you think Ferrari, you think speed, horsepower, the prancing horse, just crazy loud. But inside, you're actually comfortable. This car's option with the non-bucket seats, it's the large seat. So if we come take a look at it, I'll open the door just so you can see it. Saddle brown. Again, they did just sell this vehicle. It's getting ready for deliveries. We had Alcantara on the seats. It's your traditional Ricardo finishing. The interior on this car is beautiful. All right. So that's pretty much what we have. I'm in the process of buying more cars for us. So if there is something that while you're watching this, you're like, you know what, I'm looking for this, let us know below and we'll buy it. We can source cars again if it's something you have, even better. But don't be shy. Reach out to me below. My contact's below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.